Hello everyone. Now this video will teach you how to use the Invalid Files software module. So this is the Invalid Files for the Dolphin Data Recovery Assistant Pro. And this software module is very helpful. In many cases, we can get folders like this one, invalid file cases, okay? Whatever data recovery tools you are using, data recovery software or data recovery hardware, and after you recover the lost data, and you may get the folders and files, something like this. And there are some normal files, of course. And here we can see these as normal files. And at the same time, we can also check there are some invalid files as well. And even there are some corrupted files too. And we can try to check and document. And here we can see, some normal files and also some, we can see these are the invalid files. So this folder is the recovered folder. And this one is very common case. We can get something like this one. But it's not possible or it's not good for data recovery engineers or data recovery service companies to send data drive like this one to the file hard drive owner. This is not professional because when the hard drive owner receives data like this one, it's a big mess and it's not easy for users to get the wanted files. For example, like this one. Okay, these are the wanted files, but there are also some files invalid. So users need to search around. And this is not professional at all. So how to organize this data and delete all the invalid files, or delete all the bad corrupted files, and then keep all the files in a good status, in an organized status. Now let's check the method. We go to the software Dolphin Data Recovery Assistant Pro. Usually we can use the default setting, and here the file type, the extension. Here users need to pay attention to one case. If the folder we select, okay, if the folder we select F and invalid, if this one we select contains some files which are encrypted, then we need to untick this one. For example, if the JPJ or is encrypted, we need to untick it. Because, our software will check the hex data of all the files. Because encrypted files contains hex data which is not normal because it's encrypted status. If we tick the JPJ extension and the JPJ is encrypted, so at this time it will delete the JPJ, delete the encrypted data too. But the encrypted data is normal, is needed. So it will be wrongly deleted. So at this kind of situation, we need to be very careful. If this folder contains encrypted data, and we need to find out which are the encrypted file types, and we need to untick them to keep them. Okay, so this one is important. If there are low encrypted files, then we can keep using this default settings and click check. Now the program is trying to detect all the invalid files automatically. After detecting all, and then we can see that here. So there are totally 2.5 GB files, and there are about 327.7 invalid data detected. So this is a percentage. About 12.59% of the files is invalid. So at this time, we can see here are the invalid data. All we need to do is just simply click delete. Now the program starts to delete all the invalid files. We can see it's completed. After it's completed, we can go to the folder and check again. Now we can see that the original, this is the folder we have selected to delete the invalid files. All the invalid files have been deleted. Documents, so all the files are good now. And Excel, so all the files are good now. And here the Excel, and here's doc. See? So this is the organized data with all the good files here kept here. So this one is very easy to use and very helpful. All the invalid data has been deleted automatically by this simple operation. So this is how we use the invalid files software module to delete the invalid files within your computer or within the recovered data folder. So this one is very helpful for many data recovery engineers to organize the recovery data, and then users can send this clean folder to your data drive owner.